If you've ever strained your back trying to lift a heavy 5-gallon water jug onto the top of a traditional dispenser, only to watch water slosh all over the floor, you already know the frustration of old-school coolers. This Brio bottom-loading water dispenser is designed to completely eliminate that heavy lifting while giving you instant access to clean drinking water. The biggest problem it solves is physical strain and convenience. Instead of hoisting a massive jug overhead, the bottom-loading design lets you simply slide the bottle into the cabinet at floor level, close the door, and let the internal pump do the hard work. It also features a clear LED display with an empty bottle alert, so you aren't left guessing when it's time to swap out the jug mid-refill. When it comes to daily use, the 3 temperature settings give you complete versatility. You have crisp cold water for hot summer days, piping hot water that's instantly ready for tea, instant oatmeal, or French press coffee, and a room temperature spout for everyday hydration. It also includes a child safety lock on the hot water spout, which is a lifesaver if you have curious toddlers running around the house. Things to consider before you buy. Because it uses an internal electric pump to draw water up from the bottom, you will hear a quiet humming sound for a few seconds every time you fill a glass or bottle. Also, like any water cooler, you'll need to occasionally sanitize the internal reservoirs and lines to keep the water tasting fresh. So, who is this really for? This is a fantastic upgrade for a busy home office, a break room, or a family kitchen where everyone is constantly reaching for water. If you live alone and don't mind lifting jugs once a month, a basic top loader might suffice. But anyone looking to save their back and upgrade their kitchen aesthetics will appreciate this. Is it worth the money? If you value convenience, safety features, and a sleek stainless steel look that hides the bottle completely out of sight, it's a brilliant, long-term investment for your daily hydration. If this looks like the right fit for your home or office, I've left the Amazon link in the description. And if this review helped you out, please hit that like button, share it with someone who's tired of heavy water jugs, and subscribe to the channel for more honest, no-fluff appliance reviews.